Guys, in today's video, we're going to teach you how to remove the default lock screen password from your Samsung A04s. This procedure also works for the regular A04 and some other Samsung models. If you also want to remove the Google account, we can do this unlocking remotely. So I'll leave my WhatsApp number in the video description. If you need anything, just get in touch with me, okay? So let's get started. For the procedure, you're going to press the volume down button and the power button. When it restarts, you release only the volume down and press the volume up, okay? Let's do it. Release the volume down, press the volume up, and keep holding. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, let go of the power button but keep holding. The volume up button, hold it down until it enters recovery mode. Alright? Hold it for a few seconds. Some models take a little longer, others a little less. But the procedure is the same, okay? If it doesn't work the first time, just repeat the steps, alright? Guys, once you get to this screen, we're going to go down to the fifth option where it says IP Data Factory Reset and confirm with the power button, okay? On this screen, we choose the second option. Go down with the minus button and confirm with the power button. Now guys, we have to wait now for it to finish this other screen here so we can complete our unlocking process. So just wait. In the meantime, if this video helped you and you're not yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps us out a lot. So look, once you get to this screen here, it's done, right? We just need to confirm, don't change anything, okay? If this video helped you and you can make a contribution to our channel, our Pix is in the video description, as long as it doesn't put you out and no matter the amount. What matters is your support. I hope I was able to help you. Thanks. Take care.